In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Grackle Slides to enhance the accessibility of your Google Slides presentations. Grackle Slides is a fantastic tool that helps ensure your presentations are inclusive for all audiences by identifying and fixing common accessibility issues. Let's begin by installing Grackle Slides. First, open Google Slides and navigate to the Extensions menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type in Grackle Slides and you should see it pop up in the results. Click on it and then hit the Install button. You may be prompted to accept certain permissions. Go ahead and allow them. This will typically include permissions to access your documents since Grackle needs to scan and analyze your slides for accessibility issues. Now that Grackle Slides is installed, it's time to use it with your slide deck. Open the presentation you want to review and go back to the Extensions menu. Find Grackle Slides in the list and click on it. From there, select the Launch option. What Grackle Slides does next is it scans through your entire slide deck to check for various accessibility concerns. These include missing alt text on images, improper reading order, inadequate color contrast, and missing slide titles, among other things. Review the report generated by Grackle, which will list any flagged issues that you need to address. Each issue will give you a clear description and often a quick link or suggestion on how to resolve it. For instance, if there's a problem with contrast, you might need to adjust the color combinations used in your slides. Or, if an image is flagged for missing alt text, click the link to add a descriptive text that explains what the image is about to those who may not be able to see it. Once you've gone through and fixed the reported issues, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is resolved. Head back to Grackle Slides and click on the Recheck option. This will initiate another scan of your presentation to verify that all the previous problems have been corrected. The report should now ideally show 0 issues remaining. And that's it. You've just ensured that your Google Slides presentation is much more accessible thanks to Grackle Slides. Making your slides accessible not only complies with legal standards, but also demonstrates a commitment to inclusivity, allowing everyone to engage with your content meaningfully. I hope this guide was easy to follow and helps you deliver more accessible presentations in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.